I was sitting at a cafe, contemplating this feeling I've had since I was young, this feeling of nature and man, and I began drawing. And I felt drawn to my heart. I could feel it beating in my chest, because when you connect with the idea of Mother Nature, you have to connect with something other than your brain, because that's what feels like separates us. And as I was meditating in the cafe and drawing and intellectualizing, I thought, I gotta get out of here. So I found myself meditating in the woods by a river. Climbing a mountain, gazing into a stream of consciousness, stream of consciousness that maybe could lead me somewhere. I found a tree, and not only was it a tree with deep roots, it was a dead tree with a memory of long ago nature. And as I pulled the gears and levelers, which may have once connected to primal earth, I could feel my heart beating within it, which opened my consciousness in some strange way, and I felt myself emerging into outer space.
Remember the prayer. You, my Buddha, you're 2 billion years old. Come on, beloved traveler. Sit down. Center. Go back down. Come on. Remember the prayer. You, my Buddha.
Then I found myself, and I found myself drawing myself and stabbing myself. Like, what is this? I want to know. Of course, maybe I'm making all this up, and I'm actually just sitting in my bedroom drawing, wishing I was in a cafe, going out in the woods and meditating, but I don't know. I mean, everything is conceptual at some point, but really the truth is I'm in outer space, in the tendrils of some strange creature called Mother Nature. She feels kind even when she's cruel. Maybe if I open her third eye, she can open my third eye. The problem is, gazing into her blue eyes is like gazing into the sun. So many veins. It's so beautiful and so overpowering. The heart of Mother Nature must be in the veins and arteries of Mother Earth. Clamber down deep inside those veins and arteries that run throughout her green, pulsating heart, and you'll find yourself in the river, a cold river, beating with the heart of Mother Nature. Maybe you could actually find the real heart of Mother Nature. Hold it in your hand. Wouldn't that be amazing? To find the heart of Mother Nature. this the word of nature?